Alright, so if you're trying to find the trigonomic ratios given a right triangle, all the information you have is this, and at the end you need to come up with sine, tangent, and cosine. And in a minute I'm going to show you the other three because I would like you to be able to know all six that you have to come up with. So to start out with, I have these two, and I know that this is a right triangle because I'm given it's a right triangle. So now I need to find the third side. This is the hypotenuse. Okay? So to find the third side, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So I get c squared, because this is the opposite, or the hypotenuse, the longest one, equals 7 squared plus 5 squared. So then c squared equals 49 plus 25. So c squared equals, that's 74. That means c will equal square root of 74. Now I'm choosing positive here because I'm saying that this distance cannot be negative. Sorry about the focus. So I'm saying this distance can't be negative, so this is going to be square root 74. Now, sine, this is my angle here. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 5 over square root 74. A tangent is opposite over adjacent, 5 over 7. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, 7 over square root 74. Now, there are three other trigonomic values. For sine, there is 1 over sine. We call this cosecant. Okay? So cosecant theta is going to be the opposite of this. So that's going to be square root 74 over 5. And then there's another one, 1 over cosine. We call that secant. Okay, so secant theta would be cosine flipped over. So that's square root 74 over 7. And then the last one is 1 over tangent. We call that cotangent. And that one is simply tangent flipped over, so it'd be 7 over 5. Now, for these answers, there's a square root on the bottom. I don't know if Alex will want you to fix it, but if you have to fix it, then you'd get 5 square root 74 all over 74. And this one would become 7 square root 74 over 74. Just multiply by the square root of 74 on the top and bottom. All right, that should be all you need for this lesson.